Hi designers, Figma is growing and becoming a multifunctional tool. We can say goodbye to Photoshop. Start learning Figma even if you are not a UX UI designer. In this video, I will show you how you can change the color of a single object in an image, the color of the entire image, or even the shadows in only 3 clicks. So we click on our image and search for the plugin. In the plugin search window, type Photopea. After selecting it, we will get opened a new work window. On the left panel, choose with the right click of your mouse magic wand and then quick selection. Now select the area where you want to change the color. On the top panel, select Image, Adjustments and then Hue/Saturation. On the new pop-up window, firstly, put the tick to colorize and then adjust the settings. If you need to work with smaller area, you need to choose Magic Wand. And do the same process. Image, Adjustments, Hue/Saturation. And don't forget to save the file before to close the window. On the right top corner, choose File, and then Save. For more design and Figma tips, go on my account.